Welcome to the best pick. The best aquarium kits is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring the mesmerizing underwater world into your home, offering a complete and convenient package for both novice fish keepers and seasoned enthusiasts alike, ensuring that all the essential components are thoughtfully included to kickstart your aquatic journey with minimal fuss and maximum enjoyment. Number 5. Marineland Portrait Glass Aquarium Kit, 5 gallons. Introducing the Marineland Portrait Glass Aquarium Kit. Its sleek design with rounded corners and a clear glass canopy offers stunning views from every angle. Choose between bright white LEDs that mimic sunlight or calming blue LEDs for a moonlit ambience. This lighting system beautifully enhances your underwater world. Enjoy easy access with the hinged LED lighting and sliding glass canopy. Maintenance is a breeze, making it perfect for beginners and experienced aquarists alike. This 5-gallon aquarium is the perfect size for smaller spaces. It's designed to fit Marineland right-size Z filter cartridges for simple upkeep. Experience crystal clear water thanks to the advanced, 3-stage filtration system. It's completely hidden, ensuring an unobstructed view of your aquatic inhabitants. This kit is designed for easy assembly and maintenance. You'll love how simple it is to create and enjoy a beautiful aquatic environment. What we like. This kit offers a beautiful, modern look with its rounded corners and clear glass. The filtration is cleverly hidden, keeping the focus on your aquatic life. If you appreciate aesthetics and a clean display, this is a great choice for a stylish desktop or smaller living space. What people say. The filter is quiet and effective, keeping the water crystal clear. The LED lighting is bright and has multiple color options, which really enhances the look of the aquarium. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a heater, filter, and decorations. Number 4. Aqueon LED MiniBow 2.5-gallon Aquarium Kit. Discover the perfect home for your aquatic friends with this compact and stylish aquarium. It's designed to make fish keeping easy and enjoyable for everyone. Tired of messy water changes? Our innovative Smart Clean technology allows you to refresh the water in under 2 minutes. Keeping your tank clean has never been simpler. Promote a vibrant and healthy life for your fish. This aquarium is engineered to improve water quality, ensuring a happy and thriving environment. This all-inclusive kit comes with the aquarium, a convenient hood, a powerful filter, and all the essentials like food and water conditioner. A setup guide is also included to help you begin. It's a wonderful habitat for small fish and is perfect for both new and experienced aquarists of any age. Get ready to enjoy the beauty of your own underwater world. Maintaining optimal water conditions is a breeze with easy-to-find replacement cartridges. Simply swap them out to keep the filter running efficiently. What we like. Water changes are a breeze with its innovative Smart Clean technology, taking less than 2 minutes. This makes maintenance incredibly simple, perfect for beginners or those with very limited space. If you're looking for the easiest possible way to keep a small tank clean, this is it. What people say. The filter is quiet and effective, keeping the water crystal clear. The LED lighting is bright and has multiple color options, which really enhances the look of the tank. The included heater maintains a stable temperature, perfect for tropical fish. Number 3. Aqueon LED MiniBow 5-gallon Aquarium Kit. This complete starter kit includes everything you need to begin your aquarium journey. It comes with the tank, LED hood, filter, and even samples of food and water conditioner. Whether you're new to the hobby or a seasoned pro, this aquarium is designed for quick and easy assembly. Get your aquatic friends settled in no time. Water changes are a breeze with our unique power filter featuring Smart Clean technology. You can complete essential maintenance in under 2 minutes. Crafted from durable acrylic, it offers exceptional clarity and longevity. This provides a secure and beautiful home for your betta or other small fish. Developed by aquatic hobbyists, this product is part of a range of solutions designed to help you maintain a healthy and thriving aquatic environment. What we like. This kit combines the ease of Smart Clean technology for quick water changes with a durable acrylic build. It comes with everything you need to get started right away. If you're a beginner or a seasoned hobbyist looking for a reliable and easy-to-maintain 5-gallon tank, this is an excellent option. What people say. The filter is quiet and the light is bright. The kit includes everything needed to start, making it a convenient option for beginners. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. Number 2. AquaMiracle Aquarium Air Pump. Introducing the AquaMiracle Aquarium Air Pump, a compact yet powerful solution for your fish tank. Despite its small size, it delivers efficient aeration with a flow rate of 50 GPH and a power consumption of just 1 watt. Choosing the right air pump is crucial for your aquarium's health. This model is recommended for tanks between 1 to 20 gallons, ensuring optimal performance based on our 20 years of expertise. Enjoy a peaceful environment with our super silent aquarium air pump. Innovative denoising technology and a unique structural design ensure quiet operation, so you can relax without distraction. This versatile bubbler enhances oxygen levels, drives decorative ornaments, or powers sponge filters. It's designed to meet various aeration needs within your aquarium setup. Keep your air pump running efficiently with the included replacement filter pad. This pad filters incoming air, and replacing it when dirty will maintain optimal flow rate. Everything you need is in the box. This all-in-one kit includes the air pump, airline tubing, an air stone, a check valve, and a replacement air filter pad for immediate setup. What we like. Experience a peaceful environment with its super silent operation thanks to innovative denoising technology. This all-in-one kit provides essential aeration and includes all necessary accessories for immediate setup. If you're sensitive to noise or need a reliable bubbler for tanks up to 20 gallons, this pump is a fantastic, quiet solution. What people say. The filter is quiet and efficient, keeping the water clear. The LED lighting is bright and has multiple color settings, which really enhances the look of the tank. The included heater maintains a stable temperature, perfect for tropical fish. Number 1. AquaMiracle 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tool Kit. Introducing the AquaMiracle 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tool Kit, your all-in-one solution for a pristine fish tank. This versatile kit is designed to handle tanks from 20 to 160 gallons with ease. It includes 6 essential tools, an algae scraper, 2 types of cleaning pads, a fish net, a gravel shaper, and a tube brush. Everything you need for comprehensive aquarium maintenance. The heads are easily interchangeable with a simple click, all attaching to the same handle. This design saves space and makes storage a breeze. The rigid yet lightweight carbon fiber handle extends from 24.5 to 38 inches, perfect for tanks ranging from 10 to 100 gallons. Its telescopic design ensures comfortable reach. Experience superior cleaning with the nanotechnology pads. They efficiently remove dirt and algae from glass surfaces, leaving your tank sparkling clean. Maintain a healthy and beautiful aquatic environment for your fish. This tool kit makes aquarium care simple and effective. What we like. This comprehensive cleaning kit offers 6 essential tools, including specialized nanotechnology pads for efficient algae removal. The adjustable telescopic handle makes it easy to reach all areas of larger tanks without strain. If you have a larger tank, 20 to 160 gallons, and want a versatile, space-saving solution for all your cleaning needs, this kit is ideal. What people say. The filter is quiet and effective, keeping the water crystal clear. The LED lighting is bright and has multiple color options, which really enhances the look of the aquarium. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including substrate, a small decoration, and a net. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.